Checking the status of our Dell Latitude battery. Okay, this is a extra battery I bought for my Dell Latitude laptop. It's a modular battery. It goes in place of the CD-ROM on the side of your laptop. So I'm going to put that back in here. And like and subscribe. Check out my videos on installing the battery, the primary battery in your laptop. All right, we're going to go into setup, and to get into setup, we have to hit the start button. And right after when you hit the start button, you want to start pumping F2 on your keyboard. F2 button. Okay, we're going to watch in the top corner up here. As soon as we start, it's going to say preparing to enter setup once it goes there. But we're going to hit the start button, and then we're going to hit F2 and keep pumping F2 until we see that in the top corner on the right. It's going to say preparing to enter setup. Okay, here we go. We're hitting the start button. Now I'm pumping F2. Keep pumping F2. F2. All right, there you go. Now you can stop. Now we're going into setup. Now it's taking us to setup. Okay, we're in setup. All right, if you look at this is a Dell Latitude D620, D630, and D820, and this is actually a Dell D630 from 2007. And a lot of the Dell Latitudes, though, the BIOS is set up pretty similar to this right here. So if you look, we're going to go down to we're going to use this scroll down button, or we're going to arrow down button right here. And we're going to move this, the highlighted part, we're going to move it down. Okay, so we'll go down to battery info. And see, I got the two batteries. I got the main battery, is your primary battery. And it's showing 100% charged. It's showing there. And then there's my modular bay battery. It's discharging right now. We're running on that one, I guess. And it's showing 84%. Okay, now we're going to see the status. Now we go down one more over here. We go back over here and go down one more and arrow down. The health of the battery. And it's saying my primary battery, if your battery is good, it's just going to say the battery is performing normally. Here's my modular bay. Okay, now it's saying the primary battery is getting old. It's saying, let me read it to you. The battery is charging normally. However, it is reaching the end of its usable life. You may experience a longer operation time with a new battery. You may want to consider purchasing a replacement battery now. So it's letting me know the battery is getting old, and we got to probably replace it. And down below, it's the Dell website's pretty hard to find the batteries for this computer, but I'm going to leave some links in the description. A good spot I found on the internet to buy the batteries from. And no, I don't have no association with it. It's a good website. And I'll leave it for the modular bay battery that I had in here. They're getting real hard to find. So good luck. I'm going to leave a description, a link where I found that one though. But they're getting harder to find. But and that's it. And now, okay, we checked the health of our batteries. Now we can come out of here. So we're going to push escape down here in the corner. And now go back up here. Now we're going to exit. So we got to go right arrow. Make that green over there. And now we're just going to say enter. Press enter. And now we're out. And that's it. Like and subscribe.